Good day, today we will review Gardena Sileno Minimo, fully automatic robotic lawnmower with Bluetooth app. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about features that makes this best seller. For small, complex lawns, Gardena Sileno Minimo mows smaller yards up to 2,700 square feet automatically, evenly and streak-free, with easy use via Bluetooth easy app control, auto schedule, and easy config. Mulching advantage. Grass clippings left behind by the mower provide shade that supports moisture retention and protection from the sun, turning into fertilizer that enriches the soil with nutrients. Precise, silent navigation. Relax in your backyard while Sileno Minimo expertly navigates narrow spaces and tight corners while quietly cutting your grass with an extremely low noise level of 57 dBA. All weather and terrain. Sileno keeps mowing rain or shine and cuts all shapes of lawns within the boundary wire limits, from simple to complex including slopes of up to 25%. Items delivered. 1X Gardena Sileno Minimo robotic lawnmower with base, charging station tower, low voltage cable, power supply unit, ruler, connectors, couplers, loop wire, stakes and operator's manual. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 4.8 for noise level. Rated 3.8 for battery life. Rated 2.8 for tech support. Rated 3.8 for value for money. 466 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.2 star rated. User reviews. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and considered few of important reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For full review please check the link in description. $466 satisfied buyers. Top selling product in market. Overall 4.2 star rated. 79% buyers has 0 complaints. Our verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.